The 1941 Packard 90 eight-door tour bus stands as one of the most unique and intriguing vehicles produced in the early 20th century. Originally built by the Packard Motor Car Company and customized by the Henney Motor Company, this vehicle was a rare airport limousine, specifically modified to transport multiple passengers with both elegance and comfort. The Packard 90 used for this model was significantly stretched to an overall length of 22 feet with an 18-foot wheelbase. It featured 8 doors, 4 on each side, making passenger access exceptionally convenient. The open-top design, complete with a canvas roof for weather protection, made it ideal for sightseeing tours and airport transportation. Powered by a 356 cubic inch inline-eight cylinder engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the bus was not built for speed, but for smooth, dependable cruising. Only 12 of these extended Packard 90 tour buses were produced in the early 1940s. One such vehicle was purchased by Smoky Mountain Tours of Asheville, North Carolina, in 1941. Smoky Mountain Tours used the vehicle actively, excluding the wartime years, until the end of their 1955 season. It became the last vintage Packard bus in their operational fleet. The bus was also fitted with a retractable roof and used for sightseeing across the mountainous region, capitalizing on its panoramic open-air layout. Over time, the bus was retired and fell into disrepair, sitting neglected for years. Eventually, a new owner acquired it and began a long-term restoration project that continues to this day. Despite its worn condition, the vehicle's historical value and unique construction attracted interest from collectors and enthusiasts. Today, the 1941 Packard 90 eight-door tour bus represents a rare intersection of automotive engineering and transportation history. It reflects the innovative spirit of early 20th century custom coach building, the luxury reputation of Packard, and a bygone era of stylish group travel. As restoration efforts continue, the vehicle remains a tangible connection to America's automotive and tourism past, one that still fascinates classic car lovers across the globe.